Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be all about this here look, honey. I think this is a natural girl's mullet, but it's fly though, okay? We can't lie. Got a little variation on it for y'all. A little double bun with a poof at the bottom, darling. Okay. If you guys are interested in finding out how I achieved this look, then keep watching. Oh, but wait, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, honey, and turn on those post notifications. Okay, so the star of this show, other than you, will be this ponytail, y'all, from HergivenHair. So this is their 18-inch coily texture, and it mimics our 4C hair. So lovely. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the pack. When you flip it over, it's got two clips, one that will go in the top of your pony, one that goes to the bottom, and a drawstring, of course, to tighten that joint up. So I took her to the bathroom, rinsed her out a little bit, co-washed her with some conditioner, detangled her, y'all, because if you've been here for a while, you know I do not like overly defined hair. I gotta have some volume. I gotta open up these curls, and I gotta make it pop, honey. So after I detangled her, I put her off to the side, rinsed her out, put her off to the side, let her air dry while I worked on my hair. So my hair was previously stretched. It was in some braids. So right now I'm just using this big tooth comb. I'm detangling it, and I basically divided it into two sections. That's going to make it easier for me to work with and slick these two ponytails on into the ones. Okay, so now I've got my clean part in the back. I've got my sections divided. So now I'm going to go in and really clean up this ponytail, and I'm using the edge control, the new edge control from Cream of Nature in their Pure Honey collection. I do love this stuff because it smells amazing and it works pretty darn good, honey. So as you can see, I'm very generous with the edge control. I put it all around the section, use the hard brush, and brush that bad boy up. So for the bun on the top, we're going to make this bun as big as we can, roughly. So I'm going to wrap it around about 2 times. This is going to depend on the thickness of your hair and the hair tie you're using. And then the third round, I'm going to swoop the hair throughout the hair tie just to make a neat little bun that I can then add to a little bit later, darling. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the back, except the only difference is my ponytail in the back is going to be as small as possible because this is where we're going to be adding our lovely ponytail. So I twisted the hair and tied it around almost like a little bantu knot and used a second hair tie to make it tiny. Now it's time for the star of the show, darling. This bad boy actually even comes with a little bobby pin at the top, which is really cute and convenient because you will need it. So we're going to stick one clip at the top of our bun in the back. And then the next clip is going to go right underneath that. Then we're going to take the drawstring and pull it nice and tight until it feels secure. Wrap it around and take that little bobby pin and tuck it away. Then we're going to take a piece of hair from the bottom and we're going to wrap that around to conceal our secrets and secure that piece with a bobby pin. So now I'm going to take one row for my set of clip-ins. These are also from HergivenHair. Love these bad boys. I showed you guys before how to do a full head, and we're just going to secure that around our bun to give us a little more body and texture because we want the texture of the ponytail in the back to match the texture of our bun at the top. So I'm just taking a little piece out, putting it to the side, and I'm spinning the hair and tucking it forward because I want this to be like a cute, textured, messy bun. And I'm going to secure that in with a bobby pin, wrap this piece around, and tuck it in. What's fun about this is you can really make it your own, y'all. You're going to create the shape of the bun that you like, as big or as small as you like, but the biggest thing is giving it that texture and giving it like a slightly messy little curly bun look. Okay. Then I'm just going to tend to my edges a little bit. I'm using the same edge control from Cream of Nature, that Pure Honey one, and just gonna secure my little sideburns here, make them come down, a little curl pop there. Gotta have the sideburns in my opinion. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna tie everything down, finish my makeup. That way my whole hairline, my edges, everything can kind of set, lock in, and last for the rest of the night, darling, or day. There we have it, a look that is kind of tamed in the front, but a party in the back, y'all. I'm obsessed with this. It's a fun, super easy look that's great for vacation. If it's really hot outside but you want something you can kind of dress up but also have fun within the day with a more casual slay, it totally has that capability and that variety. Now, if you're into it, you can also add an extra hair tie and add some fun to the back by giving yourself kind of a double bun look with the poof at the bottom. Let me know in the comments, which one are you? Are you leave it wild and out, or are you add a hair tie? Let me know. Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, hanging out, and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe, y'all, to join the tribe. Tell your friend, tell your mama, tell your cousin, tell your sister. Come on through, y'all. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think's a thing.